lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a treble crochet stitch. I'm using a number 3.5mm hook and this beautiful green yarn. To begin, we're going to start by making a slip knot. You want to wrap the wool around your fingers just like this, and now use your thumb to support here. Use your hook and pull a loop just like this. Now you hold this both end and pull. You've made a slip knot. Next, we're going to start by chaining 20 stitches loosely. Yarn over and pull a loop just like this. So I've already made a video explaining how to make a chain stitch. Just check it out, click the link above. I have 20 chain stitch now. Next, we're going to start working up the treble crochet stitch. The loop on your hook does not count as a stitch. You start counting from this loop. You're going to skip 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to be working into the 5th stitch. To begin our treble crochet, yarn over 2 times. Use your thumb to support this. Now insert your hook into this chain space. On the 5th chain space, you put your hook through and yarn over and pull a loop just from that stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. You yarn over and pull through 2 stitches. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 stitches, and we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. Hooray! Guys, you've made a treble crochet stitch. We are going to repeat this treble crochet stitch on all our chain stitch. Yarn over 2 times. Support it with your thumb and insert into the next chain stitch. You pull a loop and you have 4 loops on your hook. You pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through the remaining 2. Yarn over 2 times into the next chain stitch space. You pull and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So we are basically pulling through 3 times. That's a treble crochet. This stitch is longer than a double crochet, but it's thin. It's thinner than a double crochet. It's very light. You yarn over 2 times. Don't forget to yarn over 2 times. Insert your hook in the next chain stitch space. Yarn over and pull through 2, 2, and 2. You're going to continue working up your treble crochet stitches until you get to the end of your row. So don't forget the pattern. You yarn over 2 times. Insert your hook into the loop, into the chain stitch loop, and you have 4 loops on your hook. Now pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through the remaining 2. So by working in the last stitch, you yarn over 2 times, pull up a loop, yarn over and voila, we've made a treble crochet stitch row. Now let's count how many stitches we have. So guys, before I continue, before I count my stitches, I just wanted to show you something. You see how loosely I worked here? But if you look at this particular loop, you're going to see that it's looking shorter than the rest. That's because I pulled through tightly, and this is what you should avoid. Don't pull your loop too tight, okay? You see the difference? Now let's count our stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 stitches, and these 4 stitches that we skip count as our 17th stitch. So we have 17 treble crochets right now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much. Bye.